Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing I tried following Blank's makeup tutorial, and I'm going to follow Nicole Renee Cutler's Liquid Rose Gold tutorial because I really loved it. I'm going to try my best to put it here, so hopefully it works. I'm really excited, and I really wanted to do this one because I actually have like almost everything. A lot of the face products I don't have, but the whole eye makeup thing I have. Let's just get started. So I got the eyelids primed, and I just hit pan on this eyeshadow. That's so sad.
I'm going to start off with this color right here. So I am taking this, and this is my transition shade, so I'm just dusting this right into the crease. This eye look is so easy, guys.
I guess I didn't really show that I'm going in the same exact shade, but I am.
And it really didn't take me that long to do either. Okay, so next I'm taking this color right here. It's like a orangey brown color. And just with that same exact brush, I'm just taking that and putting it in the crease as well. I'm just keeping it a little bit lower though, so I'm kind of concentrating the product in the crease and then a little bit onto the eyelid. Okay, so then next I'm taking this color right here. It is like a Hershey bar chocolate color. All I'm going to do is just apply this right into the crease all the way from outer corner to about, I'm stopping like right before the inner corner. I'd say 3/4 of the crease, and it's so tapered that it fits right into my eye socket and my crease. So I'm just going to build this up. The thing about this look too is that you can make this as pigmented and dark and smoky as you want it to be. I'm going to take the dark brown in the palette. This is actually a little bit more of a cooler toned brown, and I'm focusing this on the outer half of that crease. And I'm doing basically like the same exact steps, just going in windshield wiper motions and really working it into the crease. I'm just going back in with that original blending brush and just blending right over everything. I'm going back in with that same brush and that same darker brown color, and I'm just kind of building up the pigment a little bit more. And I'm also placing a little bit right here in the outer corner. Once you have that to your desired smokiness, next I'm going to take this bronze color right here, and I'm just packing this on right in the center of the eyelid, and I'm slightly dragging it towards the outer corner for a faded blend. This is the pure pigment of the eyeshadow. It's pretty metallic on its own. I mean, I think so. I'm also taking that all the way up to the crease, and I'm actually like putting it in the crease, but we're not doing a cut crease today because I wanted this look to be super simple and easy. And then I'm taking these two colors. So this one is an eyeshadow and then this one is a highlighter. So I'm just taking this color, and it's almost like I am doing a cut crease, but I'm just skipping like the concealer part because I just feel like it doesn't need to be like as clean and cut and precise as if I were to do like a half cut crease or something like that. Just taking a little bit more of that bronzier shade and just helping blend these two shadows together, and then I'm taking my finger and just kind of patting. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this color and this color, highlight and eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply this right to that inner corner. And I'm going to take probably like the star of the show, and the reason why so many of you guys liked it on Instagram, the Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. What I did is I just took it and applied it right towards the inner corner, and I just lightly stamped it on, and I just went all the way up to the crease. And then once I got out here, I did take it like right about there. I still want that bronzy color to show a little bit, so I just took my finger and just kind of stamped it. This is what I mean by the fact that like depending on how much glitter you use, you could totally skip the inner corner. It just kind of depends on how much or how little you use.
I do not feel like this looks like hers at all. Hers looks so much better. I think it's just because she's like a lot tanner. So this just looks like more like lighter, you know, on her lid, and this looks pretty dark on my lid. Now that looks like really bad, I'm gonna go clean this up and then do Lash Sensational Maybelline tight line stuff, and then I'll do Luella lashes because I don't have those. And I know Luella is not going to look near as good as those, but it's fine. But it feels like being 10 years later because, oh my goodness, my stinking Luella lashes, like, it literally wouldn't stick here. I know I waited long enough, and if it pops up, then I'll probably just scream. It looks pretty bad right now. Like, I don't think I'm doing good at this at all. Like, this literally doesn't look anything like hers. Now we're just gonna go to the face. And I really do need to try that Kokie liner because my liner just does not. She's gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. I haven't tried this yet. I was actually gonna use this in my full face of first impressions, but since she's using it, I gotta use it. Oops. This is probably way too much. Let's see how much she... Oh, she just puts it in her hands and does this. So I probably should have done. I've watched this video like so many times that I know what she's saying. Okay, so she's using the Too Faced foundation, which I do not have, so... And she's using a brush. Does that mean that I have to use a brush? Because I don't really have any brushes that I like. Sorry if I'm breaking a rule, but I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. And I'm actually just going to go put this on and be back. I really want to try out the Ordinary foundation and do like a side-side comparison of that. But I know there's probably like a million reviews on the internet, so and I'm like way late to the bandwagon. But yeah, if you want to see that, then I'll do it. But I don't know. I wanna try them out, so I'll probably end up trying them out anyways. So if you want to see a video on it, then just let me know. She's going in with a cream contour, which I don't have, so I'm going to use this. She's doing it here. Oh, she did it here. She did it here. I never really contour this much. And then here. She just blends it out with a sponge. I don't have that either, but I'm going to use liquid Camoflauge because that's like a liquidy concealer like the Tarte Rainforest. And she put it up here, right here. But I feel like this concealer like was the most similar because, and she loves this concealer, the Catrice Camoflauge. She takes a brush. I don't have a, did she put that contour under her lip? I think she did. I feel like this is probably set by now. I feel like a deer. Oof. Okay, I mean, like, the nose isn't looking too bad. I have to blend this out with my sponge, though. I don't have that either, but just gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me. And she goes from outer corner to inner corner. It looks like she's pressing it in good because I don't like baking. I don't have those e.l.f. Dewy Drops, but I am just gonna mix these shimmering facial whips, and I feel like I'll get a similar kind of effect just because I actually feel like that might be like a little too dark for me, as everything in this video is. I'm just mixing Spotlight and Golden Peach. She's just putting it on the top of her cheekbones. I don't feel like this is doing much, but it's fine. I don't have these either, but I think she's going in with the contour first, so that means I'm going to go in with this shade first, and then I'll bronze up with more of like one of the outer shades. Oh, I'm so nervous. I didn't even set this, so she kind of like pounced it in and set it before she started doing it. The bronzy color on a stipple brush. And I actually did pick up this next product for this video because I've been wanting to try this anyways, and I was just like, whatever, it's time. Wet n Wild Rosé Champagne. She is going on an angled brush again. Oh my goodness, this is the first time I'm using this, and I know these are taking tips. She just went on the apples. The reason that I really was kind of whatever to try this blush is because of the shimmer, but It's not looking awful. She's just taking this one, but that's too dark for me, so I'm gonna have to mix it with the white everywhere. Okay, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. It's like looking like 7 times prettier. Nicole, if you're, okay, first, if you're watching in the first place, thank you so much. But if you are still watching at this point, girl, you're so sweet, because I would have stopped watching by now. I mean, like, this girl, oh my gosh. I mean, if any of y'all are still watching right now, honestly.
So for the bottom lash line, I kept it super simple. I went in with that dark brown color just on a little pencil brush, and I took that all the way from inner corner to outer corner up against the lash line. I do have some black on the waterline. I applied that when I did like my lashes and mascara and everything. You can use nude if you want to, but I like black. So then just to smoke out that brown, I'm taking the 2 orange colors, the transition and that orangey brown color, and I'm just going to buff this all across the lower lash line, and I'm really not dragging it down all that much. Just highlighting that inner corner again because some of that did get blended away.
I'm like literally following a cruelty-free YouTuber's tutorial and then not using cruelty-free makeup. That's what I was thinking about, and I'm just like such an awful person. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nicole. I'm sorry. If y'all didn't know, Nicole is cruelty-free, which I love. Look how beautiful hers is. That is definitely not what mine looks like. Look how beautiful. That's definitely not the same. This is whenever she goes in with the naked lipstick. Last night I was like trying to come up with so many combinations, trying to look kind of similar to it. I'm gonna go in with AOA Studio Liquid Lipstick in Trend first, because I was trying to get like a little peachy, pinky salmon kind of color, because that's kind of what the base of the like naked looks like. It's like a nudie version of it. Then I went in with, I doubt anyone's used these in forever, the e.l.f. lipstick in Nostalgic. It's like the only like peachy nude I have. So, and then I just covered that up. It kind of does. Not that you can see. I actually feel like that lip color totally just like brought together the look. So this is the finished look. Definitely go check out her video because it's a lot better than mine, and she looks so much better than me because, oh my goodness, her makeup is just like perfection. See if y'all can do this, because it's actually kind of hard. Like when I saw people like following other YouTubers makeup tutorials, like that's easy. It's actually not. Do y'all think I did like awful, or you know, Nicole, do you think I did bad? Like, by the way, I forgot to do like the whole disclaimers in the beginning. Like, I didn't make this up. Obviously, if you've watched any other of these videos, a lot of people are like, I don't want to do it because like everyone's doing it. But honestly, I just think this is the funnest thing ever, and that I would do like a lot of these. Normally with tags, I get so tired of them, or whatever you want to call them. I normally get so tired of them, and like I don't want to watch anymore. Like I only watch my favorite YouTubers do them. But this one I've watched everyone do. I love it. Like I watch random people. I just think this is a really cool idea. Like just to, I don't know, I just feel like it's really cool. So Thomas Halbert was the one who created this. I'll link his video down below as well, but I'm going to link Nicole's video down below because you need to go watch the full thing, not just the little snippets that were in here. I actually really liked how this turned out, even though like when I was trying to get my lashes on, I honestly was like, am I even going to finish this video? Like, I'm such a failure. This is the finished look. I don't know how did she pose? How did you pose like this? What are you supposed to do? I cannot pose. Can y'all leave some like good eyelash recommendations down below that are like kind of semi-dramatic like this but are actually good? I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave any video recommendations down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I have to try and get a thumbnail, which I think is going to be like real bad.